Hey, it's Gina from WTI. There's a few things about these laundry detergent sheets that I really like. First off, you don't have to worry about measuring anything. I love that these do not come in a plastic jug. They just come in sheets. So you can use one sheet for smaller loads or two sheets for bigger loads or heavily soiled loads. I've been using two sheets on my husband's work clothes because he's a chimney sweep. These have done remarkably well in getting our clothes all clean. I have a front-loading washing machine, and what I do is I remove the little tray where you would put the liquid detergent, and then under that is where you would put powder detergent. So that's where I put these sheets. And another thing I love about them is that they fully dissolve. So it's not like sometimes when you use powdered detergent, you'll find clumps of it in your laundry. That hasn't happened with these at all. So I really love that. I can use these not just on my heavily soiled work clothes, but also on gentle items as well. So I really like the versatility of it. These are great laundry detergent sheets. I love that they hardly take up any space, that they're unscented, and they do the job. And that's my point of view.